This weekend, I crave an escape into nature, so I embark on a spontaneous adventure.
I don't belong in the desert. I've never longed for someone's hand. But when you came straight from nowhere, 1 minute I was over that.
A scenic 2-hour drive from the valley led me to a serene, dispersed campsite by a tranquil lake.
We saw the world from the same perspective, though I was there to breathe again. And I went straight for what you wanted, through the desert there and back again. Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know.
The picturesque surroundings and sparse crowd were a perfect blend of solitude and beauty. As sunset approached, I kindled a warm campfire, indulging in cozy ambience and aromatic scent of burning wood, making traditional campfire s'mores under the starry sky.
When we get there, through anything and back again. And if you knew the way you get me, whatever we were born to do, then all we know is when we get there, the desert won't be anything. I don't have plans for the future, but now I know that you'll be there. The only one thing that matters, I'll go anywhere and back again. Right in between, middle of nowhere, feels like the only place on earth. Whenever you're there beside me, then I know we can do anything. Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know is when we get there.
My soul was revitalized in the serene escape.